Hi, this is Stephanie. Here's my PLN. First page, home page, just about me, little information, got my resume, philosophy of teaching, and my DPI licensure information. Next page, just some basics, kind of for every classroom. Starting off with classroom culture, behavior management, organization. There's some links over here. These are some templates we actually used for observation of behavior and things like that, sometimes for special education, sometimes regular ed. Um, Here's just basic learning and studying tools and assessment that can be, used in any classroom. Next is my applications for Google. This is where I have my Amazing Race activity, some of the videos I did on Google Keep and Google Sites, and this is a lesson plan I used for a literacy class where students talked about a character in a story and made an Instagram post, well, fake Instagram using Google Slides. Here I have a page dedicated to special education. These are two websites I made on autism and specific learning disabilities. This is a good website for interventions and RTI. I included the Wisconsin Assistive Technology Initiative, thought it was very helpful. And again, these are two forms that we use for tracking IEP goals. Last, some math, just some basic math resources. So still a work in progress, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks and good luck with the rest of your semesters.